Hello everyone, this is Debian Website Tutorials, and today we are going to learn how to create the stick and scroll header. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe and click like. Okay, let's create some structure for our website, like header, which will be our menu, okay, and main content. The header should be like this in my case. It will include container, some wrapper, and logo, which will be logo, and nav menu. So nav UL LA. Okay, just like this. So the menu items will be like home, about, and okay, about, just default menu items block, and contact me. Great, so now we can create our website, some page, main structure. So let's do it hero. Here will be some image. Okay, actually let's do some more container like h1 nature, so it looks more real more like real website. Nature. Now let's do some content here, content, and let's do here some container. Okay, and let's add some h2 and use lorem ipsum text. Lorem ipsum. Oops, wrong website. Lorem ipsum and first generator. Okay, so let's just copy some text from here and use some text from here, just like this. Okay, so looks good. It looks like some basic structure, and let's style it. Let's start from the hero banner. Okay, hero, background, URL, images, source, image, background.jpg. Great. Let's do styling for our h1. h1 text align center, text align center, and color should be white. So we have it here. I'm not sure. Let's make it smaller so you see it better. Okay, let's add some padding. Padding like 8%, 0. It's too small, so let's do like 20%. Looks pretty ok. Font size, something like this, and text transform uppercase. So we have something like this. Okay, let's do opacity smaller so it looks more transparent. Great. Let's adapt our background image to background image color, background size, sorry, background size. Okay, and looks much better. Let's style our content here. So it's content and h2. Let's do all center, text align center, and margin 4% 0. Now we have some scroll here, so header will be fixed on scroll, and content paragraph max width 80 pixels, 800. Okay, margin 0 outer, so it's centered. Great, so content h2 should have margin in the bottom, margin bottom 24 pixels. Okay, something like this. Looks pretty good for me. Let's do some footer also. Footer, copyright. Let's do like Debian websites 2023. Okay. Just like this, something doesn't matter, some default items. So let's do footer and text align center, padding 8 pixels 0, background, let's do like 1FF, like this. I'm not sure which color it will be. Okay, and color should be white. Okay, we have some footer, font size 20 pixels, and this should be much smaller because it's too much. And let's do it not black, let's do it more like gray. Okay, something like this, because dark is bad. Great, so we have our page. Now let's do our header. Okay, header, padding 60 pixels 0. Now let's do the logo. Header, logo A, font weight bold, font size like this. Okay, looks like some real logo. Now let's update header and now a nav, navigation, nav UL margin 0. Great. Let's do padding 0.2. Great. Let's update our UI style, list style none, and display inline block, just like a normal menu. Padding 0.60 pixels. Okay, it's too big gap between items. Something like this is better, and let's do font weight 5000. Okay, now what we should do is write to our wrapper here, display flex. Let's do it right here. Header, wrapper, display flex. Align items center, align items center, and justify content space between. So we have a header like this. To make it fixed and scroll, we should write to our header, global header, position fixed. Okay, and if I add background something like white, you will see it doesn't work good. So we should add width 100%. So it becomes full width. Now we should add some opacity for our header. Let's use background color from footer first. Where is our header? Here. And let's add some opacity. Right here, let's add something like, oops, not here, right here. Something like this. Okay. Just like this. Also, I don't really like the black color, so let's update it. Okay, it's not clickable, so we need to add that index too. Now it's work. We can click on menu items. Let's change it from black to something not so dark. Something like this. Okay, a bit more darker, like this. Black is bad idea to use for colors. So color, it's too dark for eyes. Okay, so we made it fixed on scroll. I will repeat again, I don't like this Deborah website color, so let's do the same dark color, footer color like this. Okay, it works much better. Okay, so what we did for header is basically we added the display, the position fixed and width 100% and Z index too. That's all you need to add to the fixed on scroll header. So it works like this. Hope this video was helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe and click like. I really appreciate your support. Thank you very much.